Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. Welcome if this is your first time. I'm so glad you guys are here. Welcome, and my name is Jasmine. Thank you for selecting this video. Today I'm going to go over my haul. I had planned to buy more items, but when I went to the store they were a little bit more pricey, so I kind of skipped it because I have a few items about for that product. Like you buy Kotex I was surprised how expensive it was in the store. Yeah, so I skipped on that, and other products. The Sheik wasn't working for me. They couldn't even override it. I don't know what was going on, so I just skipped that because I've been doing that deal every week and I've been getting it free, so I really skipped on that. But this haul, you're gonna see that I was able to purchase in the regular price would have been $70.04, and everything came out to free and moneymaker. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did. There's many free deals that are easy to do. Some of them you do need the cashback app. In this case, I use the iBoda app. And also I use checkout 51 for one of those items. So I'm gonna go over and show you exactly how I did that deal. But I wanna tell you something that at the beginning of the year, I shared with you guys a printable. I shared two different, or I think it was three different options. How you're able to just put a little bit of money on a side. And by the end of the year, you're gonna be able to collect about $2,500 just for putting that amount on a side. But on this video that I'm planning to share with you guys on the 1st of July, I know we're almost there. The 1st of July, I'm going to share on that video how we were able to do it with some side hustles, easy ways for you guys to be able to reach those 2,500. We were able to reach that in 2 months. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to subscribe and wait for that video. That's when I'm planning to finish editing and upload that video. So guys, everything like I mentioned on this haul would have been $70.04, but with all the deductions, the coupons, the CRTs, those are the coupons that print in the red box machine. Also, there was a deal that I did the Rock and the Maybelline together. I was able to reach $30. So I had a CRT that printed on my receipt. So I was able to use it and it deducted $6 from my transaction. So that was a lot of savings there. So from that, I ended up paying $15.51 out of pocket. Well, in my case, mostly ECBs or extra bucks. I ended up earning $20.50 in extra bucks. That also include the cash back that I got from my Boda and checkout 51. And I also got a bonus because I submitted the Suave hair care and also the Suave body wash. So since I submitted that in two separate receipts, I got a 50 cents bonus from my Boda. So that bonus is included on that total. So after getting back the earnings from cashback and the extra bucks, my final price was $4.99 moneymaker. That means that was $5 free in moneymaker. I got paid, but I used a beauty ECB that I earned during the week, so I had that free ECB. That way I didn't pay out of pocket of $3. So that came up to a final price of $7.99 moneymaker. So such a great deal happening this week. I wish my haul would have been a little bit bigger or more stuff there, but I just thought it wasn't the best price for me to do. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with my haul. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, so just keep on watching. Guys, real quick, I forgot to mention that for this trip, I created a printable list. The link is going to be provided below, and you're going to be able to print it on my website. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys is Rock. This is a very luxury, well, somewhat luxury, but very expensive skincare. And as you see, they have a few at my store. I wanted to take advantage of this CRT. I had two of them in two separate receipts they printed. And I also took advantage of this coupon that you could find it in the Retail Me Not June 14th is for $2. So what I did was I purchased it was hard for me to choose which one, but I selected the daily moisturizer, and I paired it with these three coupons, two CRTs of $10 and that $2 manufacturer coupon. I ended up paying, the price for that cream is $25.49. I ended up paying $3.49. There is no ECBs for this deal, but I submitted my receipt to checkout 51. I did scan it to make sure it does qualify. We didn't have any problems. We got back 2 in checkout 51, making it just $1.49. In addition, we included on this transaction the Maybelline eyeshadows that are in my store for $4.29. So we bought two. Remember, I had a CRT that deducts $6 when you purchase $30. So I only needed about $5 more, so that's why I'm including the Maybelline deal as well. But I'm just giving you the amounts separate on its own in case you don't have that CRT. So I go ahead and I use that CRT that printed for everybody last week for $4. So from $8.58, I ended up paying $4.58. I got back 5 in extra bucks from Maybelline, making it just 42 cents money maker. So the next deal was a great one. I did mention my best deals, and I was glad that I got a CRT for 2 off 6 body wash. So what I did, as you see, Irish Spring is on special 2 for $8. So you're already saving about $1 when you buy two. And I was surprised there's so many different scents. They have charcoal and aloe, so we were excited about that. So what we did was we purchased 2 of the Irish Spring 2 for $8. There was a printable. You have to go to their website, to irishspring.com, I believe is the website. And we were able to print 2 75-cent coupon. And then we paired that with a CRT deducting 2 of 6. And there is a coupon in the app that says app only, deducting $1 off 2. So go ahead, send that to card. That way you only pay $3.50 out of pocket, but then you're gonna get back 3 in extra bucks and making it just 50 cents for both. That's crazy. That means it's just 25 cents each. Another great deal. There's no ECB for this deal. This is for Suave. And the only reason why I did this deal was because I got on my once we scanned our card today, it printed a CRT of 2 off 2. And remember, there's a coupon on today's paper, but I already had one in my app. So we purchased 2. They're 2 for $6. We used the CRT deducting 2 off 2, and that manufacturer coupon that was in the app deducting $2. We ended up paying just $2, but we got cash back from Ibotta, $2, making them free. We did this deal 2 times, so in total we got 4 Suave, and we got them all free. In addition, here's another Suave deal. This is a Suave body wash. They're 2 for $4. This is another deal that there's no ECB, easy to do. There is a coupon in the app. I got a coupon in my app, and I got this CRT deducting $2 off 2 for body wash. So I go ahead and I use that CRT. There was a coupon in the app deducting $1, but you could just go ahead and check the Retail Me Not from today that there is a coupon there as well for $1. We ended up paying $1, but we submitted our receipt to Ibotta as well, and we got back 50 cents for each. That means a total of $1, making them free. So since we did the Suave hair care and we did the Suave body wash in separate receipts, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, then everything came out to free, and we got a 50-cent bonus for doing that with Ibotta. The last deal I want to mention, you guys could go ahead and mix and match depending what coupon you have and which product you want to get. On this store, they didn't have any tax, so we did have to go and scan to make sure that it was part of the deal. The deal that I'm going to talk about is Colgate. It includes the mouthwash and the toothbrush. In this case, I did not get the toothpaste. All of them are going to be at $3.99. That's what we scanned them to make sure that they were on special. So we purchased 2 of the toothbrush for $3.99. And one of the Colgate mouthwash is the one that says Total. And these are the only ones that were available on this store. So we purchased one for $3.99. And then across, this one is a little different on this store. We were looking to see which one was the toothbrush that qualified. It has to be the manual toothbrush that is 1 count, and it's also for $3.99. So we go ahead and we use this CRT, deducting $3 off 12 when you buy 12. We use these one manufacturer coupon deducting 75 cents for the mouthwash, and the 50-cent coupon we got it from the smart stores that came on today's paper. And also we had that instant coupon for $2.50, but on this store they only deducted $2.28. I just wanted to make sure that it was even. So we ended up paying $4.94, but we got back 5 in ECB or in extra bucks, making them free, and 6 cents moneymaker. This is why I love couponing. We got all of these items. Like I mentioned, I did the Suave 2 different times, and everything came out to, it would have been $70 and everything came out to free, and almost $8 a moneymaker. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, just give it a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and until the next video, bye.